How to recover deleted videos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can recover deleted videos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to recover deleted videos on your iPhone, first of all, let's say you open the camera app, you go to the video section, and then you just happen to record a certain level of video over here as you can find it. And once you record a video, what you do is that you go to the Photos app and then you go to Library, and then let's say you just deleted that photo by tapping the trash icon and tapping the delete video option here. Now what's left is that maybe you would like to recover that video for some particular reason. Well, you can still do that, and to do that, if you look at the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find the Albums tab here. So when you go to the Albums tab and then you scroll a bit further below under the Utilities section, you'll find one of the options that is recently deleted. So all you have to do is just make sure to select the recently deleted option here, and here you'll see a list of all the photos and videos that you have deleted. So select the video you'd like to recover. You have two options: to either recover them or to delete them permanently. So if you delete them permanently, they won't be recoverable anymore, but if you choose to recover it, you can choose to recover the video and they will get recovered to your back in your main feed. This way you will be able to recover deleted videos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.